everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. I am going to bring you some Mexican wedding cookies, some delicious, very flaky, not too sweet, real good thing to give for Christmas cookies or prepare for the holidays. They are delicious. These cookies have been around for years and years and years. A lot of people have different versions. This is just my version, and I hope you enjoy it. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. If you are a regular here, thanks for coming back and spending time with me today. I appreciate you. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump on into this video. Alrighty, we are going to start this recipe, these delicious little cookies. We're going to add in our butter, and we're going to cream the butter and the powdered sugar until it's real light and fluffy. It's going to change colors. It's going to be a real light pale yellow, and you need to let it go to this stage, otherwise your flour is not going to incorporate the way it's supposed to. So we're going to turn it on and go slow. Alrighty, you see the difference in color? I hope you can see that. We are going to scrape everything down off the sides before we add in our vanilla and our salt. We're going to add in a salt and our vanilla, and we're going to give it a mix. Okay, we're going to take this down one more time because it always gets stuck in the beaters. So we're going to take this down, make sure everything is off the bottom before we start adding in our flour. Now the flour, you need to be patient, add it a little bit at a time so that it incorporates easily. If you try to shove it all in at one time, it will not mix, it will not come together. So you just have to be a little bit patient. We're going to mix our pecans here with the flour so that we don't have to do all this mixing at the end, and it all goes in there together. Those were very finely chopped pecans. The smaller the better. Okay, we're going to start adding in a little bit at a time. So I'm just going to start with 1 spoonful. Okay, we're going to turn it on and go slow. Okay, we're going to give it one last spin. Alright, and that's it. We're done. I'm going to transfer you over. Alright, here we go with the dough. I just transferred it into a smaller bowl so that you can see. I'm going to push on this so you could see the texture of the dough. It should not be dry or too wet. I have 2 cookie scoops here, 2 different sizes. I personally like to do the very small one. I will leave them linked below. Just because a lot of the times when I'm making these, they're for gifts for Christmas. I think they just look cute or smaller. But if you want to make them larger, that is up to you. It's your kitchen. You do what you want. So you're just going to take some. And what I do is I just roll it in my hand. And there you go. You just get this 1-inch little ball. And line them up. You want about 1.5 inches in between the balls. I get a whole bunch made first, and then I roll them. And you're going to bake them for about 12 to 15 minutes. You do not want to over bake these because they will be very dry. Okay, so I just go roll them. And you can make a whole bunch of these in no time. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to keep going with these, and then we're going to bake them at a 350-degree oven, like 12 to 15 minutes, depends on your oven. So I'm going to keep going with these, and we'll be right back. Okay, there we go. First round into the oven, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, the cookies are out of the oven. They're still very hot. We're going to let them sit here for about 5 minutes. I'm going to show you the bottom so you know what they should look like after you take them out of the oven. But they're still hot. In a few minutes we're going to dust them with some powdered sugar, and then they're ready. We will be back in just a few minutes. Alright, they're cool now. So I'm going to start dunking them. I take about 3 or 4 of them, and I just dunk them into the powdered sugar. If you wait too long and they get cold, the sugar will not adhere well. And then if you put them when they're too hot, the sugar will melt. So you kind of have to find that happy medium. Very popular during the holidays. Great for gift giving. Okay, and here they are, all complete. We're gonna go ahead and give these a taste. Okay guys, the cookies are all done. It doesn't take very long. I think they are a great thing for gift giving for the holidays. Package them up in a cute little box and give a couple of dozen because they're tiny, and I think somebody would really love to receive this. I know I would. Okay, let's go ahead and give these a taste. Look at that. Delicious. Let me see if you can see. Look at that. You can see the little pecans all over. It is so nice and flaky, buttery. You can taste the pecans. These are so good. This is a cookie that has been used for many years. I know there's a lot of versions of them. This is just my version. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share with family and friends. I will have the recipe down in the description box with any items I may have used, so take a look there. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below and I will get back with you. Okay guys, thanks for spending time with me today. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.